Welcome back, you guys. It is July the 29th, Bears Rod Shop, and we're getting a little slacks on videos. Today we're trying to get caught up, not on the Jubilee, but we also picked up a couple of Dodge trucks. One of them is a 92 Gen II generation, and the other one is a Gen 3 03. But that was just projects to bring in and to go through and see if we can't flip them, and then keep on with the Jubilee. Right now, the Jubilee, I'm going to take you over to it. We're kind of, excuse me, I don't walk with a cane. The old Jubilee, finally, I'm going to flip it around. The rear axle, after soaking it for a couple of days in diesel and 90 weight, she broke loose on the ring and pinion. No grinding, no sounds. Got some new parts coming in, axles, hubs, brakes, and then it'll go off over to Mark Munn, which we traded a nice Blazer for. Had a bad rainstorm out here 2 nights ago. And poor little canopy sitting out here in the yard, it took a collapse. But let's see if we can't go over here. This is the Dodge Ram we picked up, very, very clean. And it had lifter rattle, top end, and they're notorious about the rockers coming off. But kind of give you a little overview of it. Not too bad for a it's got 182,000 on it, and needs a little bit of detail work. And then let's turn around here to the old 2nd gen truck. We love these old square body Dodges. Hard to find, probably even East Coast, West Coast, but this is an old Texas truck. Last time it was registered, and of course it was full of acorns. Not a very pretty picture right now, but we just drug this home last week on Thursday. And long wheelbase, D250. Got a little patina work to do here, some filler. But let me give you a little bit of overview of this thing. Oh yeah, there's the canopy top. I had to put some new carpet in it, do the seat covers, headliner, etc. But it is a Magnum 360 5.9, and it's got some really good old patina from sitting under an oak tree. Oh shoot, the guy said 4 years or 5, he didn't remember. The last time it run was 4 years ago. Here's under the hood, and we were really shocked after we got it here that the mice, squirrels, etc., or rats didn't eat any of the wires that we know of. Not a very good shot there, but we're getting really excited about next week or so firing this up. And there is the the tag that's underneath the hood. Sheet metal wise, she's really good. So that being said, let's walk back in here to the shop on the Jubilee. The brake drum, when we pulled it off, it had been setting maybe as long as 10 years, we don't know. But the brake drum was in really sad shape. Of course, the brakes were stuck. But let's see if we can look down here. We had sandblasted today the brake drum and got most of everything off, but I'm going to have to take and lead fill where it had set, and then send it over to my buddy to get it turned. These tractors run less than 5 miles an hour. My guy that's buying this, or actually trading, is not concerned, even though we're putting new brake shoes, etc., in, new spring kits, because it's to do nothing but brush hog around his property. Me, I'm an old restoration guy. I like everything pristine. He don't want to spend the money for a $190 hub. So I will lead fill that, put it on the brake lathe, since my little lathe will not turn it, and then it will be suitable to him. Probably not to me, but he's making the call. And just wanted to get thumbs up, please. Sorry we hadn't had any videos out lately. It's been hectic around here. We've got too much going on. Humidity's been really high. We did get a good downpour. We got some needed rain, but now it is so steamy here in Texas that you can't hardly breathe outside. So 5 o'clock today, I just shut her down. And come back and visit us. Matt, Brian, Maria, Metal Shapers, we will get back on the CJ. I keep saying that every video, and you guys that are following us on the CJ5, she's still doing well with that 2 coats of epoxy primer on it. I still don't have any rust. It's sitting outside on my lift, but it does need to get finished. And please come back and visit. Please send me comments. Anybody interested in that D250? I know they're rare. They're hard to find. As soon as I picked it up, saw it 1 hour on Facebook Marketplace, and I bought it. I went over and paid the guy. His phone went berserk. I guess these old Dodge trucks are still highly sought after. I'm just going to make it a good old shop truck. I'm not going to waste a bunch of paint on it. I'm going to probably leave the patina. It's got newer, not new, but newer tires with deep treads and no weather cracking. So we'll probably drive it around here as a parts runner until somebody just has to have it. Yeah, everything's for sale. All right. Thanks for all the subscribers. Please come back. I would love to put a Cummins 12 valve in that thing, but the economy is still a little sluggish for this election, and we get over this COVID-19 stuff. So I think I'll just hang on to her for a little while, get that old gas Magnum 360 up going, and see how she does. Come back and visit. Thanks for subscribing, and cheers to all.